Hi, my name is Vinay Kale, and today my video topic is array. Normally, array is a collection of similar data type, uh, like elements, which has continuous memory location. Array is an object which contains elements of a similar data type. Additionally, the elements of an array are stored in a contiguous memory location. It is a data structure where we store similar elements. We can store only a fixed set of elements in a Java array. Array in a Java is index based. The first element of the array is stored at the 0th index, and the second element is stored on first index, and so on. Uh, like C, we get the length of the array using the length member. In C CPP, we need to use the size operator. In Java, array is an object of a dynamically generated class. Java array Java array inherits the object class and implements the serializable as well as clonable interface. We can store primitive values or objects in an array in a Java. Moreover, Java provides the features of anonymous arrays, which is not applicable available in C++. The advantages of array are: it saves the memory, it is cache friendly, predictable timing which with array, easier debugging, more competent memory uses, advantage over the variables, advantage over the data structures, zero length arrays help in the reusability of the code, multidimensional arrays. There are several disadvantages of arrays. Multidimensional arrays cannot be accessed by the simple indexing, and these are incur additional overheads in its access. For a large number of programming languages, except for Java, the array size must be known at compile time. Since one space is allocated, it cannot be extended. As there is no guarantee that the next block of memory will be free at some time later in the execution, making arrays static and data structures. Uh, in array, there are two types of the array: single dimensional array, and second one is multidimensional array. In single dimensional array, a single dimensional array of a Java is normal array, where the array contains sequential elements of same data type. Like in multidimensional array in Java is an array of arrays. A two-dimensional array is an array of one-dimensional array, and three-dimensional array is an array of two-dimensional array. The important points of the Java array in the Java are: in Java, all the arrays are dynamically allocated. Since arrays are object in Java, we can find their length using the object property length. This is different from C, where we can find using the size of. A Java array variable can also be declared like other variables can also be other variables with array after the data type. The variables in array are ordered and each have index beginning from 0. Java array can also be used as a uh, static field static field, a local variable or a method parameter. The size of an array must be specified by an int or short value and not long. The different direct superclass of an array type is object. Every array type implements the interface. Array can contain primitive data types like int, char, etc., and non-primitive also. uh, Non-primitive in Java, the array is obtained by using simple two steps. First, we have to declare a variable of the desired data array type. Second, we have to allocate the memory that will hold the array using new and assign it to array variable. Thus, Java all arrays are dynamically allocated. This is all about Java from my side. Thank you for this video. Thank you.